in Applied Linguistics, and today's lesson is about clothes, or the way we describe it in English, okay? Well, one of the most common examples or questions we would hear on a day-to-day basis or in a daily conversation is, what are you wearing today? What are you wearing today? Like, what am I wearing today? Well, I'm wearing, for example, a light blue cotton shirt. A light blue or dark blue. This is light blue, right? Light blue or sky blue cotton shirt. Okay? First we use, well, the color, and then the material used in my shirt, and then the noun shirt. All of them are adjectives that are used before the noun shirt. Okay? So I'm wearing a light blue cotton shirt. Okay? What is she wearing now? What is she wearing? What is she wearing? She's wearing a short wool skirt. A short wool skirt. We use a short as an adjective and also a wool, another adjective, and then we use, which is the material of the skirt, right? Worn by women around their waist. And it covers, well, the top part of their legs, okay? So a short wool skirt. First we use well, there is an order or sequence when it comes to a combination or a series of adjectives used together before the nouns. In English, we use the adjective of size first. There's always an order, okay? And you have to follow that law. That's that law. And that is the size, the adjective of size. Then we use actually the adjective of color. Here we don't have a color. And then after that we use the adjective of material, right? The material or the fabric which is used in that thing or object or noun, okay? So she's wearing a short wool skirt. Well, another one of those regular questions that happens in conversations is that we are talking about, let's say, what is it made of or what are they made of? Like the material used in them, the fabric used in them, right? For example, in the stuff that we wear. Well, what are your pants made of? What are your pants made of? In the questions above, I asked you, what are you wearing today? You could say, for example, I'm wearing a ring or a wristwatch. I'm not wearing a wristwatch, of course, but if you are wearing a wristwatch, you can say so, or you can give more complicated examples of it, or a wedding ring, for example, or another precious stone rings, or I'm wearing, for example, a scarf, or a jacket, for example, right? And go on and on and on. Let's say, well, or give more examples. So what are your pants made of? This is a little bit different from the questions above. Well, we say they are made of, because of pants, we say they, not it, right? They, pants. Some items of clothing, actually, they are treated like plural objects, plural nouns. Like what? Like pants, like socks, like, let's say, shorts, underpants, or even some instruments like pliers, scissors, all right? Well, we use they or them for those objects or things. So what are your pants made of? They are. I don't say it is. They are made of, to be made of. They are made of silk. They are made of silk. They are made of wool. They are made of wood. They are made of, for example, metal. They are made of gold, okay? So you can say anything. Of course, not for the pants. They are not made of gold unless they're rich. So what is this whiteboard, for example? What is this board? What is this whiteboard made of? Well, it's made of plastic and aluminum. Plastic and aluminum, okay? Well, there is another question you might face here and there. It's not related to the clothes, to be honest. Well, we use it actually for the origin of an object or where it is made in. All right? Well, we say, for example, where is your car made in? Or where was, past tense. Where is your car made in? You say it's made in Japan, it's made in America, it's made in China, for example. Okay? So this is how we respond to it. Of course, it's a little bit different from it, but just because of the fact that it was like it consisted the word made, which is the past tense, just like this made, but this one is made of. This one is made in. This is what. We start the question with what, but here with where. So be careful. Don't confuse them, okay? Thank you again for watching.